Bharath, and I have a prior experience in testing domain, but I thought of switching to DevOps. Contacted with the Star Agile, and then I finished my training over there, and then I got placed in Trinity Mobility India right now. Completed engineering with a mechanical background in 2022. Basically, why I choose DevOps means it has a lot of technologies and all. I can do much more rather than means as I was in a testing field means there was no opportunity to build my career and there was no means career growth compared to DevOps. So I thought of switching to DevOps. And as a storage means first I thought it will be like some other training institute and everything. One of my friends suggested to join storage because they give the good training and placement. So overall, so I joining to storage. Before joining the course, means I was not knowing anything regarding the means DevOps or any of the tools which we use in the DevOps. But after joining the Star Agile and training, so I'm confident enough to work on any of the tools which I have been trained on, and I have more knowledge compared to before. I can work in a real-time project also now. I have done 2-3 projects in the Star Agile as a placement program, everything. Had contact with the Tanzim and Bharath and Ashish. Really good at contacting the persons and if we are applying to job and means are we going to the interviews or not, means what all the things we should prepare on and what will be some means when will be the interviews and everything they will be means they keep on posting and if we forget also they will make us remember we have an interview on this date and we have assessments on this date. We have to take up the things. This was a good approach from those three and overall was good. Overall, my journey in a storager was actually good. After I finished the training, and there were many job opportunities, and you guys were posting many of the job opportunities for freshers and experience, both the candidates. CTC was also pretty good. If I want to suggest any of my friends or any of the colleagues, I will strongly recommend because you guys will be teaching us from the basics and you will make us to understand everything, and it will be kind of a motivating for everyone to be actually working on different phases. This is a kind of a motivation. It's actually pretty good working with the Star Agile. Thank you.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.